In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add QR code scanner to your control center on iPhone. This feature saves time and improves convenience, especially for users who frequently use QR codes for payments, website access, or event tickets. To do this, simply head to your control center. You will want to long hold on your screen. Down below, head to this option of Add a Control. Now in the search bar, type in Scan Code. You will want to tap onto it and it will successfully get added to your control center. Now you can move or size it to what you really want. By streamlining tasks and integrating with other system apps, it enhances productivity and creates a smoother user experience, all without the need for additional third-party apps. That's how easy it is to add scan code to your control center. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.